Hello everyone, my name is Martin Linksfeld and welcome to the 8th lesson of the course. In this lesson, we'll delve into the creation of MySQL Database Service in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure with Replicas, using a Terraform module again. The focus will be on setting up read replicas to effectively offload red-heavy workloads, thereby improving performance and ensuring enhanced data availability and redundancy across multiple instances. Now let's move to topology diagram review. This is topology diagram for lesson number 8. As you can see, we are now in one OCI region with simple VCN and just one private subnet. We have this MySQL database system, which is available in a private subnet, and we will create MySQL database replica, potentially for someone who will access and read data from there. That's it. Let's now move to VS Code Editor. We are now again in VS Code Editor. This is the place where we have just finished lesson number 7. So let's move to lesson number 8, covering MDS with replicas. Here we have also files. So as you can see, we have MDS updated TF file. And in this file, we will see two invocation of our module. First, we'll create our, base system, so to speak. So the initial installation, initial deployment of MDS. And below, if this flag MDS replica enabled will be set to true, we will have yet another entity, yet another resource, and this resource will be just replica for read-only access. So first of all, we need to put the reference to this source system, which has been created first, and then we can define what will be potential override of the shape for the replica. Super important thing is that, generally speaking, replica shape should be bigger than the source, right? Here we have MySQL.2. Here we have MySQL.8. So in fact, this bigger replica will be definitely, more equipped with, bigger shape. Okay, here we have our Terraform TF vars file. MDS replica enabled is set to true. So immediately after running Terraform apply, we should see typo, Terraform apply. We should see, yeah, I have just forgotten about Terraform init. Super important thing. We need to initialize everything before we will go into Terraform apply. So just to clarify, after Terraform init, the modules will be downloaded. So we will have to wait a few seconds here for downloading, all necessary providers for the purpose of this lesson. Now we can run Terraform apply, and within a second or two, depends on the speed of your internet, we should have some sort of a plan, including all necessary resources to be built. In fact, we will have two databases, source system and replica in the same VCN, in the same subnet. So it is super simplified. So as you can see, it will create, first of all, let me just scroll up, MySQL, MySQL DB system. There will be also additional resource for configuration because we want to have new shape. And then we will have a MySQL replica resource, which will be configured as well. So it means we will have 11 resources created for us. Let me type yes here. And now we should just wait. I will pause the recording now. Okay, looks like the process is finished. So apply has created 11 resources. Let me just switch to the console. So this is our DB system, MySQL DB system. And this DB system is using MySQL.2 shape for this primary system. As you can see here, besides of the primary DB system, we have two entities. One is replica read load balancer. Another one is just replica. So let me go directly to read replicas. So this read replica for read-only access is using this bigger shape, as you can see here, right? And you can ask me, what is the purpose of this load balancer, right? Which is visible here under this IP address. Why shouldn't we just access this somehow lagging a little bit, but still replica via this address? So the answer is simple. Let's assume you will have more than just one replica, right? Here in our simplified example, we have just one replica, but you can create even more, right? So then if you want to really access data, then you'll go through this load balancer, right? And the load balancer will load balance your traffic between different replicas for reading data. Okay, that is generally all what I have here in this particular lesson. So now let me just destroy everything with Terraform destroy. So let me run Terraform destroy, and within a sec, the whole infrastructure will be planned to be destroyed. So 11 resources to be destroyed. The thing is, I have just forgotten to show you that we have this VCN here, right? And inside this VCN, we have just one subnet, right? And in this private subnet, we have, uh, you know, primary system and the replica. But let me return back to Terraform destroy. I'll type PS here, and all of the elements of the infrastructure will be destroyed. So again, I will pause the recording and I will be back here after process will be finished. Okay, looks like Terraform destroy is finished. 11 resources destroyed. As you can see, our VCN for MDS has been deleted. Let us check the databases. Here is our MDS, and from the perspective of replicas, replica and DB system have been deleted. Replica is deleted. So that is a proof that we have deleted everything. So that is generally speaking the end of this lesson and the end of the course itself. So I'm glad we have just finished this journey. I hope it was interesting, and I'm really curious if you have any feedback. So I'm waiting for your feedback, and I hope this course was helpful for you, and I would like to see you soon in another course as well. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye for now.